A big showdown is expected, viewers, in the parliament, and more details have come in. As all eyes are on the Vande Mataram debate, the list of speakers from the TDP has also been accessed, and the TDP speaker are going to be B. Shabari and MS Reddy. So two speakers from the key ally of the NDA, the TDP, as well, in this debate. Now, it's going to be very important, as Niyamika was also pointing out. The Congress party is also all geared up to rebut the charges of the BJP. So, Mohit, it looks like on one hand you have the top NDA leaders who are going to be leading the charge, but the opposition is also united. We've seen multiple disruptions in the parliament over the last 1 week. Today we're going to see the debate, but it looks like the government on one side and you have a united opposition on the other side.
Well, Pratibha, and the counter from the Congress party could be that in 1937, Nehru wrote to Rabindranath Tagore about the stanzas, that how there are few stanzas of Vande Mataram which would hurt the sentiments of the Muslim community. But then, the Congress party might come out and say that it was Rabindranath Tagore who clearly stated that these two stanzas to be removed, and the first two stanzas could be taken by the Congress party as the national song. So this could be the counter coming in from the Congress party, that it was Rabindranath Tagore who suggested Nehru regarding this. But then when this question was being asked to BJP leaders, and I spoke to various BJP leaders, Pratibha, yesterday about this particular counter, they have clearly stated that there are many more layers to it, and they said that the legacy of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, this is on record by the BJP, will be exposed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and this particular debate on Vande Mataram's 150 years in the parliament. So it will be a very fiery debate, and it will surely open a Pandora box of debates and discussion about what exactly happened.
And we're going to see in the coming hours the debate starting in the parliament. And Mohit, I'll come back to you for those updates. Just want to bring out how the BJP has also argued that dropping these paragraphs